Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh yay, I was waiting for these. These are a bunch of Tamiya connectors, and what they are, there should be male and female. Yep, we have the male and female, so you can connect them up like this. And these will come in handy because there's a bunch of robots that I have with batteries and so on and so forth, so I can change the main connectors by soldering them together, and this way I'll have some nice connectors that go like that. It also seems to have this connector, which is pretty cool. I think this was for the other RC car, but now it allows you to connect it up to a Tamiya battery as well, so that makes it more versatile. And yeah, that's all we have here. We have the male, the female, and this special connector here. Alright, hope this was useful for you guys, and I will see you in the next video.